Hello everyone, today I have a review of another German knife, this time from Ed Mahony Company, model Landslide. In the box, a Torx key that allows adjusting the knife and two spare screws. And of course the knife itself. Total length is 20.2 cm, blade length is 8.7 cm, blade thickness is 2.5 mm, the steel of the blade is D2, it's a high alloy tool steel which increased corrosion resistance, tempered to 60 HRC, satin finish, full flat grind, opening with a male nick. On the blade you can see the name of the company, Ed Mahony, the company logo, depicting a bull, an inscription Outdoor Adventure. On the other is the name of the steel, D2, slip joint that has an additional safety. The handle scales are made of blue G10, matte pocket stainless steel and grey color. In summary, another classic in modern performance. Very simple, nice, but also well thought out knife. It's not the smallest one, although paradoxically it doesn't take up much space in the pocket, and the clip makes it easier to take it out. The lock puts up the proper resistance, which increases the safety of using. I like these sounds, even closing the knife gives me some kind of fun. G10 gives a firm grip, also thanks to its rough texture. It is very pleasant to EDC and really solid German pocket knife. That's all this review, thanks for watching.